Yes, I finally got it. Final mouse, baby. So this is the Starlight 12 Phantom. This is the medium size version. They have the small one. I've always wanted to try this mouse. I've been trying out gaming mouses for a long time, from Logitech, Razer, SteelSeries, Rockcat. You know, you can name it. I probably tried it already, but I never tried out a final mouse. And the main reason why I never did try the final mouse is because they were really expensive and people were buying these things, aka scalping them and selling them beyond the MSRP price. Now I got this from StockX. Lucky enough, I saw the opportunity that I got. It was going for almost $400. I saw it and then it started slowly going down to $300. I was trying to get as close as possible to the MSRP price of this mouse, but lucky enough, I got it around $200 something, not $270, but like somewhere around the $250 range. So I'm really happy I got this mouse, and I've been eager to try out, and definitely cannot wait to try out. But we're gonna open up this bad boy right here. Now, I was gonna get a Final Mouse Starlight 12, the original, the previous one, but I heard the rumor that Final Mouse was gonna come out with this bad boy. I backed off and I waited until they came out with this mouse. So I'm really excited. So let's open it up. I already opened it up already. Whew, look at that. The mouse itself. Awesome. So let's see how light it is. Okay, I can easily palm this mouse. So let's put that right here towards the side. So I just want to show you guys a comparison how it looks in my hand. So I palm my mouse, and I can, shockingly, I can still palm with this mouse, which is great. Extremely light, way much more lighter than the super light. So this is gonna be crazy. Let's do a quick sound test. Okay, now I don't know what sensor it uses because Final Mouse doesn't give out the information about what sensor it uses, which I don't know what it is. If someone knows, please tell me down in the comment section. So the only thing that this mouse has right here at the bottom, that's to turn on the mouse. And also on top of here, you got your DPI changer. So basically the range of DPI, it's like, for example, we're gonna use how Zowie uses their DPI. So it's 400, 800, 1600, 3200, and that's it. You cannot adjust the pony rate. I know the previous Final mouses, they always use 500. Not much people didn't like this. It doesn't bother me because there's sometimes I use 1000 to 500 hertz. So it really doesn't bother me. I can go either way. But if you're somebody who doesn't want to go 500 hertz, the Phantom is going to give you 1000 hertz out of the box, ready to go. And it's kind of crazy to me that a small company like Final Mouse come out with this mouse that it's not even made out of plastic. It hasn't made magnesium, which is crazy, super light, really durable. I'm really excited to try this. So I'm going to show you guys how it looks and plugged in. So stand by. Let's do this. Also, I forgot to mention, I'm so rude, this is the wireless puck, and it's not USB Type-C, it's micro USB, and it comes with a nice cable as well. Now I don't know how flexible this thing is, so we're gonna see how it looks once everything's set up, and pretty much that's it. That's all it is. So now, stand by, ladies and gentlemen. I'm gonna get this thing set up, and I'm gonna show you guys how it looks when the light's on. Okay, so I'm gonna turn on the mouse. So that is the battery indicator. That means I'm gonna have to charge this baby up and see how it is. So I cannot wait to try out this mouse in game. Really comfortable, really well balanced. But now the question is, for me, is that I'm gonna have to lower my sensitivity even more, because this thing is so freaking light. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. As always, any questions, you can answer them down in the comment section. Until then, ladies and gentlemen, have a good day. Goodbye.